Okay, so we're here in Macau, and we've got some kind of interesting stuff right over there. We're gonna go film it. There's a bunch of people standing in line. We're still kind of in the COVID era, and we got my little helper right here with me as well. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go check out the COVID stuff going on.
Sounds good. So we're gonna go that way, right?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. COVID is over. We got Christmas music. It's December. It's 2022, and we were documenting the streets of Macau, and we got another street for you right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha. Okay, so we're in COVID era, and actually COVID era is just ending. So actually we had 3 years of all kinds of restrictions and all kinds of stuff. Let me kind of show you where we're at. So this is my helper. We're gonna walk over here in a minute, and we're gonna show that little crowd of people. There's a bunch of people all lined up over there, and we're gonna see what it is. I think I know what it is. And we're on Avenida. We're in something called the Ocean Gardens. So this is basically a giant apartment building complex area, and it's kind of on the coastline. Up there is a mountain. You can do some hiking trails up there.
I think it says 海洋花. I don't know, 大馬路.
Let's check it out. So she's reading the Chinese at the top.
海洋花園大馬路.
And the Portuguese is
Avenida dos Jardins do Oceano.
and the English is
Ocean Garden.
oh yeah.
I can read it.
You can read all the different languages. I'll just add this on the camera. There was a guy I was talking to, a really interesting guy, and he's from Shanghai, and he was saying he's used to Mandarin. So here, when he reads the signs, they're in Cantonese and Portuguese, but you know, he reads Mandarin and English, so he can't read them. So we're gonna go check that out, and I think what they're doing is right now we're getting all the anti-COVID kits.
I just saw a puppy just standing walking over there.
Oh, that little one?
Yeah, just standing walking.
Standing up and doing tricks. We're also gonna go into the supermarket in a little bit, but I can't bring the camera. That's full. It's really, really full. Oh, they're selling ice cream today too. That's amazing. Hello. So I think that must be a special, right? Maybe it's a sale. It's like the coldest day of the year, and they got a bunch of ice cream outside. They don't need the freezers. They can just put the ice cream out there without the freezer.
Yeah.
So we'll give a little bit of background. So basically, 3 years of zero COVID policy is ended. So now they're giving out anti-COVID kits, which has like flu medication, like pain relief medication, NAT test kits, and we got all these people all lined up. So I kind of want to capture it because I think it's kind of historical that, you know, people could be getting COVID too right now. So this is actually a medical clinic. Yeah, there is a lot of people, so it could be all kinds of different stuff happening here. And we're kind of waiting right now. I've heard of a couple people with COVID, but not so many yet. But soon I think we'll have a lot. So everybody's lining up. I think they're coming away with let's see, we'll look and see. I think they're coming with anti-COVID kits because I just saw some people behind me. Let's walk down this way and just kind of see. Yeah, the lines are long. So I think it's all anti-COVID kit stuff. But actually I had to register online. So I think today's the last day, so I think maybe people are waiting because it's Sunday, so they couldn't register until today. So I think that's why we're seeing all these lines today.
Can you guys can you guys count how many cars just came by waiting to park so they can just at least get the NAT test?
Yeah, actually that's another thing too. So actually all these are illegal, so these cars are blocking the bus stop, which is about $700 600 mop fine. But all these ones are all illegally parked, and then they're all over on the other side too. Usually that supermarket will let people park illegally over there temporarily to run into the grocery store. but they usually never come over on this side. And over here they're basically blocking the bus routes. So actually that's a big fine. So I think this one right here, like bus. So that's like a 600 amount fine.
And also that one.
And those ones in front, like that one's kind of blatantly there. Oh, there's a play area right there.
Oh my god, the bus.
The bus? Oh yeah, here comes the bus, so of course we won't be able to stop. Yeah, I guess actually our plan was going to that supermarket, but now let me just see what this is. Oh yeah, this is the back side of this one. So I guess we're kind of giving you a tour of Ocean Gardens as well, and we're kind of capturing some of this health stuff. We got two choices. Either we can go that way and then come back around and then go to the supermarket, or we could go back to the health clinic again. Let's do the health clinic, because yeah, actually right now I've been listening to news about Beijing and Shanghai, and a lot of people are getting COVID, but here that hasn't happened yet. But I've known a couple of people that have. So you knew some people at your school, right? Yeah. And including a teacher?
Yeah, included a P1 teacher.
A P1 teacher. So a couple years ago, or sorry, a couple months ago, if we had that happen, then what would have happened would be that your entire school would go online, and maybe all the schools in all of Macau, and that teacher would be quarantined, and then probably all the students in the classroom would be quarantined.
There's also one person, which is in P5. Her name is Valerie. She also got COVID. Her entire family got COVID.
Wow.
Yes. So their whole family had to go to an ambulance right in front of all of us.
Oh, the ambulance came to the school?
Because it was lunchtime, so all of us saw.
Wow. Yeah, so I heard
my school didn't allow anybody to go to the P5 classroom.
Wow.
But then now they already sanitized everything in the P5 classroom, so now they can go back into their normal classrooms.
That's really different, because like a month ago that wouldn't have happened. They wouldn't everybody be in quarantine for a month probably.
Yeah.
But now they just cleaned up the classroom and everybody's back. And I think I heard today, I was reading and hearing about in China where they're encouraging people to get COVID just to get everything done with. So they want people to get exposed to it and then start focusing on the economy again.
There's also senior people.
Yeah, actually here too in Macau they're talking a lot about the economy now. So like suddenly it just kind of shifted where now it's this COVID policy is like exact opposite. So we're gonna head in here, and I guess that's kind of all we want to say about COVID.
Yeah.
You want to say anything about COVID? Anything else?
Just stay safe out there.
That's good advice.
Stay safe out there.
That sounds like a good plan. So we're gonna stay safe as well, and we'll kind of keep reporting back and let people know.
Avoid large crowds too.
Yeah, and speaking of that, we're just
You can most likely get COVID there.
yeah, we're gonna be heading into that large crowd ourselves. All right. Let's end it there. Okay, I waited a couple days to get the next one. This one is an anti-COVID kit as well. And it looks like we basically got more K95 masks. I'm looking forward to never having to wear those again. Still wearing those actually. And then this one is a little bit different. It's paracetamol, but I think that, as my understanding is that one of them is like a pain medicine. Then the other one is, this is probably the other one. Yeah, this is the same as the other one. The Chinese medicine one. So this is basically a Chinese medicinal one for flu. So anyways, we got those, and then we have more kits so we can test to see if we're actually COVID or not. So basically I waited a couple days to do this video after the first one, and basically it's the same thing. So it looks like everybody in the whole city gets these, and I got a picture of exactly what these things are, so I'll show that to you. And okay, that's all I got to say. So anti-COVID kids in Macau. I think that I've been watching a little bit about China, and basically in China they're running out of kids and all this kind of stuff. So Macau is a lot more. It's a smaller city, of course. It's easier to keep on top of stuff here. And basically, it looks like we're all set up and prepared. So I don't know when the masses of COVID is coming, but basically every day it's doubling, and then it won't be long, and we'll be fully immersed in COVID. And I'll try to update us when we get closer to that too. So I don't know. I think it's going to be within the next couple of weeks. But in Shanghai, Beijing, a lot of it seems like most of the city is already kind of inundated with COVID. I don't know. We'll find out. Ciao. COVID is over. We got Christmas music. It's December. It's 2022, and we were documenting the streets of Macau, and we got another street for you right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.